Imagine I told you that you can spend 90% less money on plumbing home maintenance over the course of the time you'd be living in your home by installing one piece of equipment. Hey guys, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing. So check this out. Imagine I told you that you can spend 90% less money on plumbing home maintenance over the course of the time you'd be living in your home by installing one piece of equipment, one product. Now figure out how much you spend on plumbing repairs, plumbing problems, leaky toilets, leaky faucets, showers that are an issue, no hot water issues, not getting enough hot water, toilets that are running, outside taps that are dripping, water heaters that are failing, dishwashers that are no longer working well. The list goes on and on and on. The number one cause for anything in a water supply system in a home, the number one cause for failure is the quality of water. And I don't mean drinking water. I don't mean purification. I'm talking about the mineral level in the water. How hard is your water? Many people don't understand this, but water is made up of, obviously there's water in water, but there's minerals too. And that component is quite corrosive to the plumbing system. You got iron, calcium, magnesium, lime scale, all that like white crusty stuff you'll see building up on faucet aerators. And this is far more harmful inside your plumbing system. You get a 1/4 inch of scale buildup on a water heater or inside a tankless water heater, that's a 40% efficiency loss. So if it costs you $100 to heat water, with a 1/4 inch of scale buildup, which can happen over a couple years, you're gonna spend $140 to heat that same water. So the amount of money you're going to save on plumbing maintenance, plumbing repairs, appliance repairs and replacement, the actual energy costs, you're going to save money on energy. You're going to use less gas, less electricity. All you got to do is install a FlowTech anti-scale system. We've put in so many of them. We just did another one today. They're such great products. And you're not going to find a whole lot of good stuff online about it because the water treatment companies can't stand the product, because once it's installed, there's no maintenance. There's no chemicals. There's no follow-up appointments. There's no buying salt. There's no nonsense. And I got to tell you, it's a huge, huge advantage. It provides a huge amount of health and safety to your plumbing system. FlowTech anti-scale system, exclusively sold and installed in this country by us, Preferred Plumbing Solutions. Give us a call. We'd love to get you involved. It's a huge help. You guys will appreciate it, trust me. And I appreciate you guys. Have a great day.